Hi guys, my name is Ben from Tech Nuggets. It's just a quick video. I would just like to show you what the latest Apple operating system is like on this old iPhone, the 8 Plus. Now, the Apple operating system is iOS 14. They rolled it out this morning, and so far I've had a pretty good experience. I just thought I'd share that with you guys, and so you can make your own mind up whether it's worth upgrading your phone or just maybe sticking with it and see how it goes. Please don't forget to like, give us a thumbs up, a comment, and subscribe. I hope you all have a good day. So yeah, like I said, just running this on my old space grey iPhone 8 Plus. It's just a 64 gig one. It's nothing fancy. I mean, it was a brilliant phone when it came out. Obviously now it is a little dated, even though it still looks and feels really nice. But overall, I'm really impressed. So if you look, we've got the iPhone. We'll just zip it on, stick my fingerprint on. So as you can see, it's still really buttery smooth. You've got all the new features like the widgets that you can edit. Everything's sort of nice. It looks visually appealing. I'll be honest with you, I have not noticed any performance decrease with this, even after the latest update, which I think is fantastic. I love some of the features like the app library and how it just sort of organises everything. It does give you the things that I think we were missing from Android in previous updates. The reason I've kept an iPhone is for some reason it just seems to be much more stable than Android, the operating system. Even though Android might have been ahead with some of the features, I think this just tends to run better, even though the hardware spec on paper isn't always as good. I don't know what you think, guys, just let me know. But everything on this seems to be absolutely perfect. There is no, I'm not noticing any kind of lag at all. It's really good. Some of the features that I have noticed so far, I'm not fully aware of them. The translate feature is good. Hello. It translates it to Spanish.
Hola.
I think that's absolutely fantastic. Definitely come in handy next time we go abroad. That's if this lockdown ever ends anyway and we can get there. But other than that, it's just, I think it just gives it a little bit of an edge over what it was like before. There's plenty of new features probably that I've not discovered yet, but I just definitely think it's worth keeping this phone and not upgrading to a newer model as of yet anyway, apart from the fact that I haven't got endless amounts of cash. I just think that this is still working perfectly fine, even though it's a couple of years old. It's still got a really good battery life, the camera's decent on it, so overall the experience with it is perfect, and I think this new operating system's just enhanced it a bit. How long we'll keep getting the updates for, I don't know. But yeah, that's everything. So if you guys like the video, please give me a thumbs up. I am still a bit of an amateur at this, so I'm still getting used to it, but hopefully I'll get better over time and get better equipment and become a better YouTuber. Have a great day. Please comment, rate and subscribe.